because it replaces the triple step on 3 and 4 with a quadruple step. But other than that, it's very simple. So if I can get you to swing me out a few times, this way, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, I end up on my right. On 6, I'm going to do a good old tap, step. Kind of like a tachyonic. So up to 7, 8, it's going to look like this. A 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, tap, step. And I end up on my left. So 7, 8. Look, if you want to, because this foot is going to swing through and kick up the other one. So I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Woo. And keep that one up. Don't kick your partner. With a partner, just up to 2. If you can try and stop on 2. It's going to look like this. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. And then we'll end there for now. And normally I've got 1, 2 on my left. So if I'm on my left on 2, I get triple step to be where I want to be. But because I'm on the other foot, I'm going to do badu to get where I'm going to be. And 90% of you are already doing it. So the whole thing becomes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, tap, step, tap, kick, badu. Left, right, and then it's going to finish off like a normal swing out, step, step, triple step. Yeah? From the back I have a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, tap, step, tap, kick, badu, step, step, triple step. Okay. It's going to look like this. You do a couple of swing outs. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, let's do it on the other side. Change positions. The next year. If you look at this, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, here we go. We get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. And you can start with it a bunch of different ways. So it's a little hard to control because it's the closed part of the swinger. But all I'm talking about is replacing the triple step of 3 and 4 with a little scoop with my 3, 4. Step, 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 lift. The thing is that you're turning as this happens. So rock, step, or if you want to do your swivels, that's fine. Swivel, swivel, step, and as you're turning, you're going to get lift. So what foot are you on beat 4? Right. Normally, I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this variation, 1, 2, 3, 4. Still on your right, so you're set. And actually your leg is kind of here. It's even easier to go here. It's not back here like it normally is. It's up here. It's simple to take that step on 5. So, ladies, your footwork, step, 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 lift, step, step, triple step. Yeah? At the beginning of the swing out, if there's, for instance, some counter tension, and this is mostly talking about a technique for when there's some stretch, right? Which is the way one I love there. At the beginning, he moves his hips backwards to introduce some stretch. I feel the tension here, so I do the same. When he releases that, we both push into the floor. We're doing half the work, right? Then we get to 3 and 4 positions. Let's do it this way so you guys can feel. And he introduces some stretch. He moves his hips away, and so I match him so I don't get pulled over. But you know what? He's doing all the work. I'm just hanging out. I might as well swing out like this. So doing this, where I put my hand up on top, is really just the same as doing this, which some of you do. 6 feet kind of style, right? Happy, he's doing all the work. I am lazy, but I look fine. So what I do is a technique where at that point I want to actually do 50% of the work in the same way I do in open position. So when he's got me by my shoulder blades here, I'm actually, instead of going to be passive and let gravity hold my hand there, I'm going to take a new hand position behind his elbow, and some of the guys go, oh yeah, she did that when I danced with her, it was weird. I was sweaty on the back of my arm, and my hand was cold, and it was kind of weird. This is why it is. So this is going to require some bend in your elbow lead. So build a sort of lead that locks that elbow out. You know, you get that cool position on 3 and 4 where you're like this. It's not going to work so much for this one. So maybe just class, you have to think about being that much closer, so you have an angle, and she's going to flip it around the back. Same thing I talked about in yesterday's class, a nice right angle. I'm going to put fingers around the back, and where exactly it is will depend on how long your arm is in relation to your partner. But I'm going to feel the inside of my arm to his arm, hook my fingers around the back and put my thumb in front. Essentially, there's this kind of a... And then, when he stretches on 3 and 4, and I feel the tension here, I'm actually going to take half of it away. Here, so we're balanced, and I'm actually doing half the work. If he lets go at this point and keeps a bend in his elbow, then I've got all the work. See the muscles bulging. This sucks. It really sucks, and you know what? This is what he's had to do all these years. So I want the ladies to experience this, how much this sucks.